Cleaning a glass stove is manageable, with a few expert tips to tackle burn rings, baked-on food, and stains. For a natural cleaner, create a 1-in-1 vinegar and water solution. Spray it on the surface and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before wiping it down with a damp microfiber cloth. For stubborn, baked-on food, a baking soda paste can be effective. Sprinkle baking soda, cover it with a damp cloth, let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, and then scrub gently. Use a wet razor blade or pumice stone for tough stains, working in one direction to avoid scratches. Products like the pink stuff can help lift debris without scraping, while Barkeeper's Friend is great for hard water deposits. Always clean your stove daily to prevent buildup and avoid harsh chemicals or rough materials that could damage the glass. Additionally, keep your cookware clean. Lift pots instead of sliding them, and be cautious with hard objects to maintain your stove's pristine condition.